Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Mezzo, and today we're going to be showing you how to get Sony Vegas Pro 14 for free. Now, just to let you guys know, this is my first ever video on the YouTube channel, so don't put as much hate as you guys want to, because y'all are assholes, and we all know that. But it's cool. All y'all that support me, go ahead, keep supporting me, because I enjoy it, and I would definitely appreciate it on this first video. And don't forget to like this video, just for more support and shit like that. But anyway, guys, let's get started into the video. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open Google Chrome, and you're going to want to go to the link that I have provided down below. It's going to be a MediaFire link, and you're just going to want to download the software. So it's 424 megabytes. I already have the software downloaded onto my computer that we'll need today. So what I'm going to do is I'll give you about 5 minutes, and then I'll come right back and we'll continue with the video. Alright guys, now that the download has completed, we're going to go find that download, and we're going to go ahead and go ahead with the process of installing Sony Vegas Pro. So you're going to want to go to File Explorer, and you're going to want to find where the actual document is extracted to. So you just want to click it, and we're going to extract it, and I'm going to extract it to my desktop. Then we're just going to let that finish, give it about 2 seconds, there we go. And now we're just going to go to the desktop. Now you want to click it open, and you want to install the software first. It's going to ask for a code. There we go. And here we go with the installation. So you want to hit English. I have read the end user license agreement. And then you can create a shortcut on your desktop. And if you want to change the installation folder, you can always do that. But I'm going to install it to my hard drive. And we're just going to go ahead and install it here. Alright, it's almost done. Alright, there you go. So now that it has installed, you can see that by seeing where it says Vegas Pro for 14. But the thing is you don't want to open this right now because it is not complete. So you want to go back to the folder, and you want to open the patch. Now this patch is an amazing patch. It is great. You just follow it. So you hit this thing on the left, gonna patch Vegas Pro 14, and then you hit finish, and then that's it. So you open Vegas Pro, and there you go, guys. Vegas Pro is now opening. It is the 2016 version, but hey, that is not that bad. Vegas Pro is one of the best softwares for video editing other than Adobe Premiere. If you're very good with Adobe Premiere, I suggest you stick with that. But here we go, guys. Here is Vegas Pro 14, the complete and full software. Now, if you guys enjoyed today's video, I hope you make sure you leave a like down below, and make sure to subscribe so you can have more tutorials on how to get Photoshop and how to get Vegas and how to get all these other programs. I'll be gladly to make sure that those videos come out to the channel. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys had a good day and enjoy the video. See you later.